In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a PDF to Google Drive. Whether you're storing important documents or simply wanting to access your files easily from any device, Google Drive offers a straightforward way to upload and organize your PDFs. To get started, you'll want to be logged into your Google account and have access to the Google Drive interface, which is where all the magic happens. Once you're on the Google Drive homepage, you're going to look for a large, colourful button on the left-hand side of the screen labelled New. It's hard to miss and is your gateway to uploading new files to your drive. By clicking on this New button, you're taking the first step towards uploading your PDF. After clicking New, a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, you'll want to select File Upload. This option is what allows you to directly upload various types of files from your computer to your drive. Remember, we're specifically focused on PDFs today, but this feature is versatile enough to handle a wide range of file types. Upon clicking File Upload, your computer's File Explorer will open automatically. This is where you get to navigate to the specific folder on your computer where your PDF is stored. Once you've located your PDF, simply click on it to highlight it. It's crucial to ensure you've selected the correct file, especially if you have multiple PDF documents. Take a moment to double check if necessary. With your desired PDF file selected, go ahead and hit Open in the File Explorer. This action kicks off the uploading process. You'll notice that in Google Drive, a small window in the lower right corner of your browser will pop up, showing the progress of the file as it uploads. Depending on your internet speed and the size of your PDF, this process could be almost instantaneous or take a few moments. Once the upload is complete, the notification window will confirm that your PDF is available in Google Drive. You can now find your file in the My Drive section, automatically positioned alongside the other documents, making it easy to access and manage. For added efficiency, you might want to organize your PDFs by dragging and dropping them into specific folders within your drive. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded a PDF to Google Drive. This process not only helps in keeping your files secure and accessible from anywhere, but also ensures you can easily share them with others without concern for large email attachments or storage issues. Remember, practice makes perfect with technology, so feel free to repeat these steps until you're completely comfortable with the process. Thanks for joining me and happy uploading.